Hey guys, welcome to my Techie Pro YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Burp on your Windows. So what is Burp? It operates as a web proxy server and sits as a middle man in middle between the browser and destination web servers. This allows the interception, inspection and modification of the raw traffic passing in both directions. So we are going to install these tools. So let's see. First open your browser and go to google.com and type Burp. Open your first link and here you will get a professional one and free one. So according to your choice you can choose professional one. It gives lots of features, and so I am not going to choose professional. I am going to go with free one. Then click on download for Windows 32-bit 64-bit and click on download. So I'm not going to download this file because I have already downloaded this file to save our time. So I'm going to install it. Just double click on setup and click on run. Click on next, click on next. And click on finish. Click on I accept. Next. So we have successfully installed our Burp free edition. So that's all for this video, and in the next video I will show you how you can configure with browser. So stay tuned and please subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem just comment below and I will help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye.